Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel that is EdTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very important because we are going to discuss about the top IT updates. The first one will be regarding doing something illegal in the IT. Then we will discuss about the IT 3% salary hike on a zero point 0.5 crore package. We will also discuss how are the junior employees or junior level, mid-level employees work being tracked, okay, in the IT companies. And then we will discuss about rejected 47 LPA package because. So let us move forward. Now, the number one thing that I wanted to share with you all, you might already know about Y Combinator, right? So basically, this is a startup accelerator program which is present inside the USA, wherein a lot of people all around the world they get the funding or guidance from Y Combinator. Now, there are a lot of Y Combinator companies. One of famous companies is Razorpay, which was scaled or which was built at Y Combinator and supported by Y Combinator, right? So there are other companies also. Airbnb was one of them. There are a lot of companies, right? And it is known for the growth, the support that it provides. Now, there was one interesting thing that happened recently. That is one of the Indian employees who is 24-year old. That person was got a job offer at one of the AI startup that is backed by Y Combinator, and that person was getting around 40 to 50 lakh rupees as salary. And the parents were literally worried. The parents were not knowing about what kind of work he's doing. He just sitting simply in front of the laptop for 4 to 6 hours and then getting a lot of salary. So their parents, the person who was working, his parents, they approached someone who was already having an IT company. They told him that beta kuch illegal to nahi kar raha hai na, because he's earning lakhs per month, right? Every month 2 3 lakhs 4 lakhs, okay? But is he doing something illegal because he's just sitting in front of the laptop and he's working for 4 to 6 hours? So that is the reason why parents, if they are not knowing what kind of work you're doing, you're working from home, you're working remotely, they simply assume that you are doing no work, you are simply sitting in front of the laptop. And that is the reason I wanted to share this fun incident with all of you guys. If you have observed something similar when you are working from home, or if you are having a remote job, then do let us know in the comment section. The next important update is coming from a person who recently mentioned that that person recently got a fantastic job offer of 47 lakh rupees in Pune. So 47 lakh rupees in Pune is something similar to around 70 to 80 lakh rupees in Bangalore because of the expenses. This is what my personal opinion is. Do let us know in your opinion in the comment section, okay? So this person mentioned that the package was very good and the company was great, but the position demanded skills I did not fully possess. So this is one more thing, guys. If you are able to crack an interview, it does not mean that that company is really suitable for you, because the expectations that they might have, the immediate expectations, the immediate turn down and all those things that they might expect as the management, okay, that will not be, if you're not able to match that, if you feel that you will not be able to match that in the near future, then try to not join that company. Instead, try to join a company wherein you will be getting a good exposure, wherein you will be having the right skills that are required in that particular role, so that you get good bands, you get good reviews, and you get a great exposure as well, right? So you don't have to spend like hours in learning about the new tech stack or learning about a lot of things at one time. So you will not have a lot of things in your plate, you will not have a lot of things under your umbrella at once, right? So this person mentioned that I politely rejected the offer, explaining that I'm not ready to deliver at that level right now, which is a very good thing. This is what I feel. People generally, what they do is, one of my friend who recently joined JP Morgan, that person was burdened with a lot of work. Although that person got a lot of package, but he was burdened with a lot of workload and he was not able to handle that. Which brings me to one more interesting thing, that is, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you've already not done that, and share this video with all of your friends who are working in the IT industry, so they are also getting the information. Now, this brings me to one this particular topic, that is, I was researching about JP Morgan and I found out that JP Morgan Chase is tracking junior bankers, which is work hours they are tracking, right? So this basically is not something which is new in India. Already companies like TCS, or I would say Cognizant, they were tracking these kind of working hours. If your laptop is getting like turned off, they are tracking that. If you They will be taking screenshots at any random particular topic point. And if you're watching movies, if you're watching YouTube videos, if you're watching songs, then you will be busted out, right? So this is not something which is new, but if you look at the level at which JP Morgan Chase operates, right, this is very controversial thing that they're doing. So they have clearly mentioned that they are not doing this just to track the employees, but it is a good thing that they are wanting their employees to have. That is, they want employees to have lesser screen times and lesser burdens, right? But everyone knows, right, what is the irony behind this, right? So they mentioned that they mentioned to Financial Times that much likely the weekly screen time summaries on your phone. This tool is about awareness. So you might remember that in Bank of America in the USA, there was so guys, sorry for the bad throat. So guys, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let me take a moment and tell you guys that even if I'm not feeling well, if I'm having a bad throat, I'm still creating videos for all of you guys. So guys, please consider subscribing. Okay, this is a sincere request, and share this video with all friends who are working in the IT industry. So let us come back to this particular topic, where they are not enforcing anything. This is what the management is saying, JP Morgan Chase. Okay, that we are not enforcing anything, but this is just for awareness. You might remember the time where one of the young bankers, investment bankers, was committed suicide because he was not able to handle the load in the USA, in Bank of America, right? Same thing happened in England also, London also. There was one employee who was not able to handle the workload, the stress, and all these things at the early start of the career, right? That is the reason the employee was not able to suffer that and passed away. So this is what they want. Okay, and as you already know that these are entry level analysts and associates can earn salaries up to 200 2 lakh, okay, dollars. And this is a very big thing which I feel, that investment banking is one of the highly paid career. Okay, and that is the reason, if you are able to give that many number of hours, then you will be definitely earning a lot of money. You will be making money in millions, like in the 5 to 10 years. Okay, now coming back to one of the important update, that is, this is a particular update that a senior technical lead in data and AI field says that staying loyal to a product company was not benefiting her anymore. Why? Because she expected a fair compensation, that is the salary hike, but that person got almost 3% salary hike on a zero point 0.5 crore salary, which is 50 lakh rupees. From this you can understand that even if you are staying loyal to one particular company, even if you are falling under the bigger bracket, right? So 5%, 10% of 50 lakh is also a very big amount, right? Now, if you're someone who is getting 3%, 4% salary hike in the corporate IT industry, service based IT companies like TCS, Infosys, that is very normal. But in product based companies, the hike that you're getting are on average around 10 to 15%. And that is the reason this employee is stating that she wants to quit this particular company, because they are not providing any alternatives also, like ESOPs and other things are there, right? For companies, for products, product based companies, right? They provide some kind of shares or equity in that, in their own company, and profits were also shared with them, or dividend are shared with the employees who are having ESOPs. But this is also not case with that company. So that employee mentioned that even if you are having a very loyalty with your company, that will not pay you off, because you will not ultimately end up losing a lot of money. Your other peers, your friends will be getting more salary hikes, and you will stay behind. Okay, so let me know in your opinions about staying loyal to one particular company, or continuously switching after 2 years, 3 years, and then gaining a lot of salary hike. Okay, with this, I would like to end our today's video. If you feel that this video was helpful, then please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. I cannot stress it anymore, because I'm having a bad throat, guys. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel if you've already not done that, and share this video with, again, please, with all of your friends who are working in the IT and the corporate industry. Thank you and have a great day.